Hello all, welcome to Tech Easy.
Hello guys, in the previous two videos, I did a long video tutorial on how to use this Google Calendar for beginners and how you can create this Google appointment schedule and how you can use this appointment schedule to keep online appointments. Both I did the videos, I'll keep in the description. If you want, you can check. In this video, I'll tell you how you can share these calendars to someone, maybe your friends or relatives, whomever it may be. First step, I'll show you how you can share this created appointment schedule. Later, I'll tell you how you can share a particular calendar. First, I'll go with appointment schedule. See, this is the appointment schedule what I have created. So I'm just clicking on this one of the appointment schedule. Then this pop-up appears here. Check here. Click on the share. As soon as you click on the share, you will get a URL, means uh, something you can open in a web browser. You need to copy this link. This link you can send it through WhatsApp, Instagram, or you can mail this link, or whatever by means you can do this. If you have a website, you need to click on this website embed code and see here. Here, if you click on this drop down, you'll get this code. You can copy this code and you can embed this code. If you are a developer, like web developer, you will know, but if you don't have that knowledge on web developer, you may consult someone who knows this coding and everything. Okay. Next, I'll tell you how you can share a particular calendar to others. You see here there are few calendars. For example, if I want to share this office work calendar, see, I'll uncheck everything and I'll just keep this office calendar. These are the events what I have created in the office work calendar. If at all, if I want to share this particular calendar to my colleagues, so that they will also get to know the events which are going to be happening this week. So you need to click on this particular calendar and click on this settings and sharing. So this will open a new tab, and here, see here, share with specific people or groups. You need to tap on this, and here you need to enter the specific email address and click on send. Before sending, there are few permissions here. See only means this is like a read only, means only they can see the details, but they can't edit or can't delete the calendar. Just like read only. See all events, make changes to events. If you give this permission, they can change or edit, make changes and manage. They can even also share this particular calendar to someone else. So yeah, I'll just open this documentation. You can read this documentation from our official Google Calendar. See, important, use caution when sharing your calendar and choose what others can access. Anyone with full access permission to your calendar will be able to do. Respond to invitations, create and edit events, share your calendar, receive emails, delete your calendar. That means if you give this full access permission, this last option, if you give this full access permission, those all the other person can do. So I'll click on send. What I'll do is I have the same email on another tab. See, hello Raj, we are letting you know that Raj has given you access the view events on the Google Calendar called Office Work. See, if I click on add this calendar will be clubbed to my current calendar. Or you can just click on this view calendar. Instead, I opted for add this calendar. So yeah, that whole office events will be visible in my calendar too. Means assume this is a colleague's email address. In this way, you see here, all those events were also included in calendar. So this is how you can share your calendar with others on Google Calendar. If you do have any questions, please do ask in the comments. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.